Hi there, I'm Nick from Auckland in New Zealand, and I've come into the DHI clinic today to get my receding hairline brought forward. So it's a bit of a family trait. My other brothers also have a receding hairline. It seems to be thick everywhere else, but recedes back in the front there. So I guess I got the idea from my older brother who had his done around about 14 months ago, and he got some amazing natural looking results from it, and now has a sort of really nice hairline in the front there, no receding hairline. So I thought I'd get mine done as well. But I'm only here today and I'm feeling very excited to get it done. Yes, my brother's hair looks really natural. I guess the procedure that I'm having done today, they take the follicles out the back of the head and they just transplant them into the front, which is super simple. And the only other way I've seen it done was a friend of mine years ago went over to Asia and got the big cut in the back of the head where they take the piece of skin out and then take the follicles from that and then put those into your receding hairline where you're going bald. Which didn't really interest me at all because I didn't want to have a big surgery cut across the back of my head. So what I'm having done today seems pretty straightforward. They literally take the follicles out of the back of your head where it's thicker and pop them in the front there, and then they grow naturally. Yeah, so my brother recently went to the hairdresser and she had no idea that he had his receding hairline brought forward or a hair transplant at all, so it all looks perfectly natural. And apparently they put them in a certain angle, that's the normal way your hair grows, so it just looks perfectly natural. Yeah, so my brother's, he's super stoked with his procedure that he got done. I guess both of us, we kept our hair slightly longer and it would always pull it forward across our receding hairline. I think I even told the hairdresser to make sure she left it a little bit longer around here so I could actually pull it forward over my receding hairline. And I always found as well, I always used, if I was going out, I would always use a really thick putty to put in my hair to make sure my hair wouldn't blow around in the wind and my receding hairline be seen. And I guess the alternative, like this here, I'd be wearing a cap or a beanie to keep it covered. So the things you think about when you're sort of reflecting on the procedure you're about to get done or the results that you're about to get from something. I'll probably be looking in the mirror, but I'll be admiring rather than trying to cover it up. So basically, every day every time I go to the bathroom, I'd look in the mirror and make sure my hair was there, or when I got in the car, I'd look in the rear view mirror and make sure my hair was there. It was pulled across the front on one side, so making sure it was always covered up, which is quite a lot of, I guess, mental energy and stress and anxiety that kind of brings to your life, having to think about that kind of thing, even if it is at a sort of subconscious level.
How old are you, Nick?
35 years old.
And how long have you been brushing your hair in that sort of fashion?
I honestly could not tell you when I started doing that.
Yeah.
I guess I've always had quite a big forehead growing up and then it kind of receded back. My father's the same, and my brothers are all the same. I couldn't tell you how long I've been sort of subconsciously pulling my hair across the front of my balding area to keep it covered and worrying about it.